Hello students, let us begin the concept or the things which are needed for your exercise 6.4. Okay, that is the theorem which says if you have two similar triangles ABC and PQR, the ratios of the areas of both triangles is equal to the ratios, the square of the ratios of squares of the ratios of corresponding sides. Like AB is corresponding to PQ, so here ratios of both the ratios of areas of both the triangles is equal to the square of the ratios of corresponding sides. Here AC is corresponding to PR, so here also the square of the ratios of corresponding sides, here also the square of the ratio of corresponding sides. So this theorem, this statement I have written because this statement will be using in exercise 6.4. Okay, so let us start. Question number 1. Question number 1 says, let triangle ABC and DEF are similar. ABC is similar to DEF. Their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF is 15.4 cm, then find BC. If we draw the triangle ABC and DEF, let me draw it here. ABC, smaller one, A, B, C and D, E, F. A, B, C and D, E, F if I draw. So here, can you see here this EF is corresponding to this BC. EF is corresponding to BC. So the area of ABC upon area of DEF, since they are similar, we will apply the theorem to have the ratios, squares of the ratios of corresponding sides, that is BC square upon EF square. Both the areas are given 64 cm square and 121 meter square, and then BC square we have to find. We will put the value of EF here, that is 15.4 given in the question, and finally by cross multiplication and taking square root we will get the value of BC as 11.2 centimeter. Easy, very simple it is. Now let us move on to the next question. In triangle AOBC, let us read the question first. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is twice of CD, and find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. You see here ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel DC, AB is parallel to DC, plus AB is the twice of DC, AB is the twice of CD, DC, and then have to find the ratios of the triangle AOB and COD. So it is given in the question which triangle we need to consider, that is AOB and COD. Let us show that the triangles are similar. So triangle AOB, see here, angle AOB and COD are vertically opposite to each other, so that they will be equal. And then angle OAB and OCD, this angle and this angle, since in the question it is given AB parallel CD, so this angle is equal to this angle. Why? They are alternately equal to, they are alternate opposite to each other, so they are equal to each other, so alternate angles. So we have the result, that is triangle AOB is similar to COD by AA similarity, angle similarity. Now since the triangles we have shown that they are similar, so we can apply the theorem. So area of the ratios of area of AOB and COD is equals to AB upon CD square, AB upon CD square. These two sides are corresponding to each other, and in the question it is given AB is equals to twice of CD. So we will replace it, and finding squares we will get 4 upon 1, and the ratio of the areas of both the similar triangles will be 4:1. Okay. Now the next question. Here, next question, it is given in figure ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. ABC and DBC are the two triangles on the same base BC. Okay. AD intersects BC at O. AD AC intersects BC at O. So show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equals to AO upon DO. DBC and ABC is the ratio of AO and DO. AO and DO. Okay. Here, according to the question, here it is C and here it is D. Okay. So here we will draw AE perpendicular to BC and here perpendicular to again BC. The construction, simple construction we will make out here. We will draw AE perpendicular to BC and DF perpendicular to BC. So now in triangle AOE and DOF, AOE and DOF, see angle AEO and DFO is 90 degree each by construction, and AOE and DOF, AOE and DOF, in the question it is given these two lines are intersecting each other. Since they are intersecting, so they will make out vertically opposite angle pair. So these two are equal by vertically opposite angle property. Now here angle AO, now the triangle will be similar by angle similarity. One angle, one angle, one angle, one angle. So the ratios of the sides will be equal. AE upon DF, AE upon DF, which are perpendiculars, and AO upon DO, the length of the point vertex A from O and the O from D. So that is, now we will keep this equation here. Now again, since we have drawn perpendiculars, so we will be using it wisely. See, area upon ratios of the area of ABC and DBC, because these two triangles are on the same base BD. So these two triangles area will be half into base into height. Base will be this BC and height will be for ABC, the height is AE, and BDC, the height is DF. So BC upon AE and half into base into height, that is BC into height, that is DF. Okay. So now this half BC will get cancelled to give us AE upon DF, which was equal to this one AO upon OD, which we have proved it just now. So this AF upon DF will be replaced with AO upon OD. So this we have to show in the question, that area of ABC upon area of DBC is equals to AO upon OD. So this is the solution of these three questions. Other questions we'll discuss in the next question. Thank you.